Better take a look. This friendly split foyer is so livable with its open, cheerful living space and split bedroom floor plan. It has a bright yet cozy living room provided by a large arched window and stone fireplace, giving it so much style and character. There is also an updated modern kitchen with gas stove and solid surface counters, an open dining room, and 9-foot ceilings throughout the main level. The finished basement area expands living space for any family with convenient half bath and laundry. Bring on the movies, popcorn, or set up the billiards table. This is a perfect cave for anyone who loves a separate hangout space. There is an extra long 2-car basement garage with a walk-out door. Its end-of-street location makes this a quiet area, and located in Sedge Garden, Salem Pkwy and I-40 is conveniently accessible. It's an outstanding value at $295,000. Act now, and ask to see this one right away.